Hello everybody, welcome back to Channel ANZ Machinery. Assembling the Trent XWB, the world's most efficient aero engine. Rolls-Royce is a global leader in engineering, known for developing high-technology power solutions that drive efficiency across land, sea, and air. The company's expertise is built on two core technologies, the gas turbine and the piston engine, both designed to maximize efficiency and power. In a gas turbine, such as the Trent XWB used on airliners, air is pulled in through a large front fan. Most of this air flows around the engine, generating thrust. A portion of the air, however, enters the core of the engine, where it is pressurized through a series of rotating compressor blades. At each stage, air pressure increases as it is squeezed through the engine. In the combustion chamber, fuel is added and ignited, creating an explosion of hot air that blasts through the turbine at the rear. This force generates thrust and rotates the turbine, which in turn powers the fan and compressors at the front, sustaining continuous propulsion. The piston engine, another essential power solution, operates differently by using a series of pistons within cylinders. Air is drawn into a cylinder and compressed by a piston, then combined with fuel like diesel or gas. Once ignited, the resulting combustion pushes the piston downward. The piston's movement is transferred to a crankshaft, converting it into rotating motion. This powerful cycle continues, providing efficient energy for diverse applications such as electrical generators, ships, vehicles, and trains. With technologies that drive efficiency in aviation, marine, and land-based systems, Rolls-Royce is committed to powering a changing world. By focusing on innovation in gas turbine and piston engines, the company delivers reliable, high-performance solutions that fuel advancements in global transportation and energy. Wärtsilä propeller manufacturing process in Santander is a showcase of high-precision engineering and craftsmanship. The journey begins with pattern manufacturing, where a wooden model of the propeller is crafted to exact specifications. This pattern serves as the mold's blueprint, setting the stage for the rest of the process. Next, in the molding phase, a sand mold is created around the pattern to capture its intricate details. Once the mold is prepared, casting takes place where molten bronze or other alloy is poured into the mold cavity, forming the propeller. After the metal cools and solidifies, mold breaking is performed to remove the cast propeller, revealing the rough shape of the product. Machining follows, where excess material is removed to refine the propeller's form and dimensions with precision. The grinding process then smooths the surface, preparing it for the blue fit test and assembly. Here, the propeller is tested to ensure it meets exact specifications and assembly requirements. Finally, polishing brings the propeller to a mirror-like finish, enhancing both its aesthetics and hydrodynamic efficiency. The manufacturing process of a Boeing aircraft is an incredible feat of engineering and coordination. Boeing's facilities are among the most advanced in the world, housing some of the largest and most precise assembly lines ever created. In a captivating time-lapse, the assembly process of the Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner and the 747-8 Intercontinental showcases how quickly and seamlessly these complex aircraft take shape, illustrating the speed, precision, and attention to detail that goes into making a modern airliner. The assembly begins with major parts like the fuselage sections, wings, and tail, which are transported from various locations around the world to Boeing's massive assembly plant in Everett, Washington. These parts are precisely engineered to fit together, reducing the need for extensive adjustments or modifications during assembly. In the time-lapse, we see cranes and robotic arms working in sync with skilled technicians, each component carefully aligned and fitted into place to form the aircraft's body. Once the body is complete, the aircraft moves on to systems installation, where technicians install wiring, avionics, and plumbing. This stage involves thousands of components and miles of wiring that power everything from lighting and entertainment systems to the engines and navigation controls. In the time-lapse, this intricate process is condensed, giving a sense of the incredible complexity behind these aircraft. Final stage is painting, and Boeing's team makes it look effortless. The 747-8's livery is applied in layers to ensure a flawless finish. After the paint dries, the aircraft undergoes inspections and tests before being rolled out for its first flight. Watching the 747-8 roll out of the assembly line for the first time is a powerful moment, symbolizing the end of a meticulously planned and executed assembly process that combines cutting-edge technology with human expertise. Next, in this high-speed, time-lapse video, Boeing showcases the lightning-fast assembly process of some of its most iconic aircraft, including the Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner and the first commercial 747-8 Intercontinental. Watch as the intricate stages of construction unfold in rapid succession, highlighting Boeing's precision engineering and streamlined workflow. The Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner, known for its fuel efficiency and advanced materials, takes shape as various components are expertly fitted together in a carefully choreographed sequence. Every part, from the fuselage sections to the wings, is assembled with incredible accuracy before the aircraft undergoes its vibrant paint job, ready to soar the skies. Then, viewers are treated to the assembly of Boeing's first commercial 747-8 Intercontinental. The iconic jumbo jet redesigned with a longer fuselage, upgraded engines, and improved aerodynamics. In a blink-and-you-miss-it style, the video condenses months of hard work into mere minutes, showing the meticulous process of constructing an aircraft that will soon enter service. This accelerated video offers a behind-the-scenes look at Boeing's dedication to quality and efficiency, capturing the excitement of aviation innovation at its finest.